I will not prolong the theoretical introductions, but will go directly into the practical and useful aspects. The concept of working with all GIS programs revolves around 4 points. First, data input. Second, data management. Third, data analysis. And finally, data output. As for the ArcGIS program, it deals with data in one of 2 forms, either as raster image or a vector shape file. In this video, I will explain how to work with maps composed of spectral bands obtained from satellite like NASA, which can be found on the Landsat.org. I will also explain how to enhance the map's resolution to facilitate its use in field work, including plotting the locations of wells, trenches, and rock samples, as well as mapping the results of the analysis of these samples. Just now, we are waiting our program to start. The first step is to prepare a file that contains the aerial TIFF images. I will show you. Prepare like this file, Moody block, contain Excel sheet and TIFF file. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 TIFF file. Now we back to our program. First step is to click on the add data. From here, this icon, select the file location. From here, add file location. Project YouTube Moody block. We can add the TIFF images either one by one, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add. Okay. Or we can add all the images by pressing Ctrl and adding them all at once. TIFF 1, TIFF 2, TIFF 3, TIFF 4, TIFF 5, TIFF 6, 1, TIFF 6, 2, TIFF 7, TIFF 8. After adding them, and press add. Here, create pyramids for L TIFF 1. Yes. By the way, spectral TIFF image 6, 1 and 8 is used for studying volcanoes. Yes. Studying volcanoes if they are present. Create pyramids for TIFF 3. Yes. The program create pyramids for TIFF image one by one. TIFF 4. Yes. T5, yes. T6 1, yes. T6 2, yes. T7, yes. T8, yes. Okay. After adding them, they will appear in the current task list, as you can see in the table of contents. Here, as you can see, TIF1, TIF2 to TIF8. Then, this is our map. Then we go to Arc Toolbox here. Arc Toolbox. This with red icon. Open. Okay, Arc Tool box. Then navigate to the raster, to the data management tools here. Data management tools. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 option. Open. Then navigate to raster here. Choice raster, open raster. Raster processing. From the beginning, mosaic database, raster catalog, raster database, raster processing, open raster processing. Double click on composite band. Okay, as you can see, this window has appeared. Composite band, input rasters, output raster. We input all TIFF images in the input field and specify the location to save the composite file in the output field here. First, from here, we entered all TIFF files. We can TIFF1, TIFF2, TIFF3, TIFF4, TIFF5, TIFF61, TIFF62, TIFF7, TIFF8. Okay, here this will save in local disk C on the name of CO10. Then press OK. After completing, we close this window. After completing the composite band file process, we click on the composite band in the table of content here. Okay, by double click or press right click and select properties. General source extent display, we choose symbology and adjust the red, green, blue color levels until we get the clearest map image. You can make it 3, 2, and the blue one. Then apply. Okay. Then we deactivate the indicators for the remaining TIFF in the table of content. Okay. Next, to achieve greater clarity, we perform band sharpen on the composite band file. We go to the Arc Toolbox again here. Open Arc Toolbox. Go to Data Management Tools, Raster Processing, create band sharpening raster data set. Double click. We input the composite file band in the input field. Here we input the composite and select one of the TIFF spectral images and place it in the output field. Band chromatic image. Select, for example, TIFF1. Then wait for the process to complete. Press OK. Created band sharpened raster data. After that, from the symbology option, we can adjust the colors until we achieve the desired level. Right click, properties, symbology. Red, green, blue, 1, 2, 3, we can make it 3, 2, 1. Apply. Okay. Okay. Also for composite band, right click, properties, 3, 2, 1, we can make it, for example, 2, 2, 1. Apply. Okay. Give it green color. Right click again, properties, symbology, 3, 2, 1. I guess it is the best form. After achieving the highest level of clarity for the map, we import the Excel file that contains the boundaries of the study area. As you can see, from File, we go to File, Add Data, Add XY Data. Browse here, choose boundary, add sheet, add. Okay. Table doesn't have object ID field. Press OK. Here, this is our 4 points. Four points represented the corners of the study area. From table of contents, here, right click, label features. You see A, B, C, D. By this option, label features, we activate the names of the 4 corners, and through the properties option, right click, properties, we can control the color and size of the text as well as the shape and color of the sample. From here, labels, for example 12 Arial. Also go to symbology, sample shape circle 2, for example size 18. OK, apply. OK, you see A, B, C, D. This is our block. Next, we create borders around the study area and then cut it from the larger image. To do this, we go to an icon called our catalog here. Catalog, yellow icon. Open it. Select a file to perform the operation. Right click and select new file. For example, from here, project 2. Right click, new shape file. Give it name, for example Moody block. Feature type polygon. Define the coordinates using one of the TIFF images. Go to edit, import, choose one of our TIFF image, add current coordinate system is defined now. OK, name GCS WGS 1984. OK, you see Moody block, table of contents, Moody block. Next, we activate the editor toolbar. Editor, start editing, choose Moody block. OK, choose create feature panel, choose Moody block. And now go to first corner A, one click, corner B, one click, corner C, one click, and last point D, double clicking to close the square. Then we go to the editor toolbar, click on save edits, then stop editing, and then we can increase the thickness of the squares, borders, and change the border color using the symbology option. We can close create feature now. Here, right click, Moody block, properties, symbology. We can make it no color. Borders, outline borders, for example red, thickness 1, 2, 3. OK, labels also, make it 11 for example, apply. Okay, you see, now we want to clip the map of the study area from the larger map. We go to our toolbox again, data management tools, raster processing, clip. Here clip, input raster, output extent, optional. Okay, input raster, we input, for example, composite band. Output, we choose our block MODI block, save file MODI block. Then we click OK to complete the process. After clip process completed, from the table of contents, we deactivate all layers except map of study area. Now this is our block. Finally, from the layout view option at the bottom of the page, we create the map output and add the finishing touches such as title, coordinates, north arrow, legend, and scale bar. From the file, page and print setup, make it landscape. Okay. Okay, now we create a grid for the map which consists of latitude and longitude lines. Right click on the map, choose properties, select grids, new grid, measured grid, next, XY, for example 100 adjust the line size from the style options and set appropriate interval between the lines 100, 100, 200, 200 or 5000, 3000 or 4000, 2000. Next. Labeling from here. Next. Finish. Apply. Okay. This is our grid. After that, we insert the remaining elements and adjust their shape and size accordingly. From insert, title from here, Moody, block. Okay. Can put it here. Now insert north arrow. Can choose this. Okay. Put it in the north direction. Insert scale bar. Scale to fit page. Okay. Put it here. Insert our legend. Legend items, Moody, P10 composite. We can move elements from here by this arrow. This is our TIFF images. Okay, next. Put it, for example, here. With this, the map is ready for printing and exporting. We go to File, Page and Print Setup, and select the paper size A4, A5, for example A4. Select paper orientation, landscape, either portrait or landscape, and adjust the dimensions. Okay. Then we can print the map directly from here, print, or export map in the required format such as TIFF, GPG, PNG, JPEG, BMP, PDF. Select our folder and press, for example, desktop. Hit on JPEG. Give it name Moody. Block. Save. Moody block. Thank you for watching.